Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail, southwestern Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-on video on the brand new 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. This Denali is powered by the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the interior of the Denali Terrain, we have the power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seating as well, power trunk, automatic headlights and fog lights there, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with forward collision warning, cruise control, and then your audio controls on the other side. Push-button ignition. We have the 8-inch touchscreen there. Your navigation, audio controls, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto are both in there as well. Dual zone climate control. This is how you put the vehicle into gear, drive, reverse, neutral, park. We have parking sensors front and rear as well. Heated and ventilated seating. 4x4 dial with trailer mode. Downhill descent, and our lane keep assist. We have the all black interior here, Bose audio equipment throughout, and then our black leather heated and ventilated seats with Denali in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Denali, we do have the 19-inch wheel and tire package there, Hankook all-season tires, chrome door handles with color-matched body inserts with keyless entry, blind spot detection, as well as remote start, all equipped on the Denali Terrain. We have the rear tinted privacy windows, LED headlamps, LED tail lamps coming to the rear, chrome accenting on the rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips there as well, and your trailer tow hitch, which is hidden underneath that rear bumper. Looking at the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats there are heated as well as car seat ready. We have the quick fold down option. We have the rubberized matting coming all the way up the back of the seats to keep them nice and clean when they are folded down. Lots and lots of trunk room, massive moon and sunroof there. Heated seat buttons, USB ports, and then you even have a outlet down on the bottom there, keeping everything charged up. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. If this is your next luxury 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.